Yeah, it's wild how much content he has that exists from back then that he's so articulate and well spoken
Yeah.
when he speaks about it. But then some of those videos are so vulgar and whatnot that
Yeah.
it's hard to. I can imagine the people who are very hard on him. You watch the old videos; it's pretty hard to
Yes.
side with him when you see those.
Yes.
Yeah.
But also, you got to think of what a person like that is trying to do when they're first getting attention. You're trying to be as outrageous as possible to get as much people to think about what you're saying and talk about what you're saying and engage with it. And the best way to do that is to be like a character, an over the top, completely arrogant guy who's shirtless with sunglasses on, smoking a cigar, talking about hoes. It's like, is it a character or is it really you? And then when you find out, oh, well, no, he actually does run these campsites and he does have these girls working for him. But then some of the girls talk and go, actually, he's like really nice and he was kind and he gave me this business opportunity. How much of this is theater? And how much of this is like, if it's your real feelings that, you know, these women are subhuman little robot flesh creatures that you just extract money from.
Yeah. Any interactions I've had with the guy before he was, super famous and whatnot, I've always been positive too. Like super nice guy.
Very intelligent guy.
Yeah, super articulate.
Extraordinarily intelligent.
Yeah.
And,
absolutely.
His
brother too.
Yeah.
Doesn't get as much credit, but
they're very, very smart guys. But boy, did they tap into. There's this thing that's going on where men do not feel like there's anyone